All right. So a highlight today was if you're a guy who likes to fade and you're looking to get long and you're looking to buy a break, what are the things you want to help show you when? I talked about earlier in this room and in this session. Use the when to find the where. Everybody wants to say, well, where am I going to get long? Where do I get long? How about when? How about when showing you where? So we had some really good, not just order flow to read. When someone says just generally, what got you long? Order flow. Well, what do you mean order flow? I don't get it. You got to be a little bit more specific and not just say order flow got me long. All right. What type of order flow? Get into specifics. So you get a market that moves lower. And now all we know before we jump like that, all we know is that it's moving sideways. Then you start building a case. You get some sellers that come in these red boxes and the market can't go down. You get a green iceberg, which is a bigger order than meets the eye, and it doesn't get filled right away. And you get another big seller and another big seller. All right. All of these things could get you long because price cannot go lower and it has the excuse to go lower. What's the excuse? Big sell orders should make the price of anything go lower. But this was the one that created the best when moment. And in real time, we analyzed it. This iceberg, which is this red line that came in, it not only was a bigger order than meets the eye, that's what an iceberg is. It not only was on the sell side, but it quickly got bought. You got to read that. How quick does selling get scooped up? The answer was very quick. And that's when we had said, this is the best chance to break out to the upside. That was almost a shave your head moment if it doesn't rally. Now, do we know it's going to rally and be the low of the regular trading session and rally another 15 points? You got to be good at the first 2 points, 4 points, 5 points before you're good at the 15 points. You got to get the moments that are better when moments than you otherwise would have had. And it's way too general to say, I use order flow. What kind of order flow? What questions do you ask yourself? You should know what you're looking for. Most people don't. And once you know what you're looking for, you got to be able to react once you see it. There's no thinking. You've done your thinking. You've done your research. You've done your understanding. And now you just wait to see that person. You know, he's 6'2" with blonde hair and he's white and he's the guy you're looking for. Once you see him on the street, you don't go back and make phone calls and say, well, is this the guy? No, you arrest him. You do what you need to do in a reactionary sense. You already should have done your thinking. And now you're reacting. Become a machine.